Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. my mind. Not another day on borrowed time. Let me get away. Yeah, I'm running. Yeah, I'm running. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my blood. Part of me told me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. 'Cause baby, when I'm gone for good. rising up, then I push it down, saying you're in love. I could go without. Let me get away. It's over now. It's over now. So love me or leave me. I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my thoughts. You told me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. Walk away, don't look. Baby, when I'm going, I'm on for good. Show me loving, you're loving. Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving, I need loving. Need myself, need enough. It's like being a dog to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. If you put it beside along my heart. Dreaming of me now, the way I do. Are you dreaming of me now, the way I hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Cause I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how bad it hurts. Hearing the sound of a broken
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Even though so I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Trying to get by, life's rough. Trying to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. It's way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end. Mentally and physically, studied them religiously, so I don't repeat history. And people only admit to me they don't want a victory, bad enough to see. They'd rather just go leave it be. And this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning all there's passion.